Good morning, world. My name is Otis Tucker, world's first trillionaire. I am creating a million millionaires. I am God and I manifest the words I speak. Today, people, what I want to talk about is how to use your daily routine to create the life you want. It's like once you understand that the current life you're living is because of the things you do daily, like what are your daily routine, what are your daily actions, then once you realize that, then you also realize that you can actually create whatever you want your life to be as long as you're consciously taking action by putting it in your routine and you do it on a consistent basis. So let's just say you're trying to either get a promotion or you're trying to learn a new skill to create an extra stream of income. Then you can dedicate X amount of time every single day, maybe Monday through Friday or the weekend included, where you're literally using that time to master or learn the skills or the information that's necessary to take yourself to the next level. And the key here is that you have to carve out the space for it, man. It's just realizing that if you keep doing what you already been doing, you're gonna keep getting what you already have, which is obviously the things you don't want. You know what I'm saying? That's why you're looking to change in the first place. So with that being said, it's like, okay, if you want to go from A to point B, from where you are to where you're going, then okay, what is necessary? Maybe you need to read more books, maybe you need to watch more videos pertaining to whatever that specific subject area is that you're looking to master and develop in. So I just want you to figure out, what does that look like? Maybe you need to dedicate an hour or 30 minutes. Dang it, even if it's 15 minutes a day, it's better than nothing. You know what I'm saying? It's better than what you was doing before. It's not how much time that matters. It's really the consistency of the time that matters. And that's what makes it a part of your routine, because it's something that you decide to do on a daily basis. Like most of the actions that we take is consistently. You know what I'm saying? We do the same thing over and over. We're creatures of habits. And it's just you really learning how to use that to your advantage and not against you, by you controlling what your habits become. So again, it's like, whatever you need to carve out that time for, whether it's 30 minutes or an hour or 15 minutes a day, just figure out, okay, what can I do in that time per day? And what time per day would I do that? Will I do it in my morning routine? Will I do it in the evening time before I go to bed? Will I do it in my lunch break? I'm going to throw out an example for you. Let's just say you want to get real fit, right? This is an idea how you can literally just take adjust one part of your routine that I know would change your life. So it's like, let's just say, you want to work out. Maybe you walk in 15 minutes a day intentionally. Maybe you just walk your neighborhood, something like that consistently. I know it's going to make you healthier over time, because the lack of not doing it, it wasn't giving you what you want. But by you doing it consistently, daily, every day or every other day, whatever you decide, my point is, whatever you come up with, stick with it, people. In life, what I've realized is consistency is the one thing that always wins out every time. It's not how much of what you do, it's the consistent daily routine of doing it is what gives you the results you want in the long run. So it's very important for you to understand that. So once you understand that, then you don't get too caught up in like, okay, how long you're doing something, but it's again the consistency of doing it. Over time, it becomes a habit, so that you don't have to consciously be thinking about it, and you do it effortlessly over time. So in the beginning, that's not going to be the case, but over time, it will be. So that's really my topic for today, people. Is I really want you to be present and conscious of what are you doing per day, whether it's your morning, afternoon, or evening routine, and figure out what in those areas where can you make some time to work on your self development, whether it's reading, watching videos, meditating, whatever it is that you need to do to get yourself prepared to grow to the next level. You just got to really make the time for it and figure that out. Where do you want to fit it into your routine? And once you figure that out, the trick is consistently doing it, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is everything, people. Literally, consistency is everything. That's how you create the habits you want. That's how you create your magic routine, man. The routine that is going to manifest the future that you want for yourself. With that being said, people, I'm going to pause it there for now. But I'll say this. If you want to become a member of Heaven on Earth International, that's the organization that I use to help people to elevate themselves to the next level, where I cover topics not just like this, but any topic, especially helping people to be unstuck, So like if you get in a situation where you can't figure your way out, it's just good to have someone like myself that can help you to figure that out and brainstorm with you until we find the answer to that, like how to get unstuck, ways for you to stay encouraged and be inspired. I'm here for all of that. For me and my team of people, we are excited to work with you to make that happen. To become a member, you can go to OtisTucker.com. In the meantime, I definitely pray that God will continue to watch over you, protect you, guide you, and I pray that he'll show you your purpose, man. Like, what is your purpose here on this beautiful earth? With that being said, listen, man, to God be all the glory, and y'all have a great day. We'll talk tomorrow.